Let's compare. If I say, I'm teaching, and I was teaching. If I say, I was teaching, what's the difference? Well, I'm teaching, that's called the present continuous, and that means I'm teaching right now. Right now, it is 4:47 in my country. I'm teaching right now. I'm teaching you English right now. If I say I was teaching, that's called the past continuous. And we use the past continuous for a specific time in the past. So, for example, what were you doing at 7 o'clock last night? 7 p.m. last night, I was playing a game. I was watching TV. I was cooking dinner. I was having dinner. For me, really, I was playing Mahjong. This is a Chinese game. I was playing Mahjong. I was losing. My friends were laughing at me. Oh my gosh. But that's me. What was I doing? ING.